It's your boy Habitant in the Metaverse, and today with a new episode from this beautiful journey. So let me explain to you. Yesterday, I'm so sorry, I had a lot of work to do. But today I'm promising I will share you some good results. So basically, what have I done yesterday? In a hurry, I claim my rewards here, but it's important to know this. When you claim your rewards, automatically this will lock itself. So basically, you need to wait another 40 or 44 hours. So it kind of sucks here because if you pick one of them, let's say you pick this one, then 100% there are chances for you to lose this. Yes, because I encountered this on Cyborg Swap. I'm using these two right now. I'm preparing to use the third one. I don't know the name, but I will make tomorrow. I promise you, I'll make a tutorial when you can earn 12 or 20 daily. 20%. I don't know good yet. 12 or 20%. Or maybe both of them. I figured it out. These two. It's a new dApp platform on Chronos, and it's amazing. I decided to stick with Chronos, but I'm not married with it. So basically, if I find other good opportunities, I will take them. Yes. Um, so as you can see, if I yes, and I have encountered another problem. If I press it now, claim reward, the transaction I will because I'm connected with DeFi wallet from crypto.com, their official wallet. I repeat, I can't see the transaction to complete on my phone. So it's a pretty mess thing. If you have MetaMask, it should not be a problem. Yes, but for me MetaMask it's working so slow here, so that's why I opted for this, and it's more accessible for crypto.com users. So if you wanna claim it and you have this DeFi wallet from crypto.com, what you can do, you will go into the crypto.com app, the specific wallet, and you will go to the section dApps, and then you will see above in the middle, it's like it will write Chronos dApps, and you will push that button, and there you will find this Savannah Finance, or you can enter with this link svn.finance hash OSIS. So you will see there, and you can claim rewards, but I claimed it there, and I have encountered this. So basically, yes, and I'm glad that this happened because M share has risen in price from $730 to 970, and my initial investment was $822, something like this. So it's actually good. With this, it's actually pretty good. This one, I'm so sorry. First of all, I'm so sorry for all this mess here, but I want to involve myself in other good projects. I want to create as well an NFT collection and a limited edition. I want to involve myself more in this world because the name, it says everything, inhabitant in the metaverse. And let's see. I hope I will do something good. This is not a fortune. It's not unfortunate, but I lost some money, as you can see. Here I have invested $1,038, and now I have 982. But and the harvest, this is for like 3 days. So basically, in 3 days, here I will make 3 days and a half. I will make $50. It's okay. It's okay. This is a small passive income. But they will accumulate. How can you do? What can you do? You can press harvest and reinvest it here, or you can wait for other projects. Who said you need to invest in Chronos? No, you can find other dApps and invest in that type of thing, like how I told you, daily APR. Yes, the daily percentage, it would be like 12 or 20, one of these two or maybe both of them. So basically, if you invest $100, you will receive daily $10. Yeah, $10. So it's amazing, because here I make with almost $1,015. So it's a huge difference. If I take the money here, I don't want to take the money out here, because I will lose them. That's why it's better to stay with the money here, and it's the best for you. I didn't hope that this will drop. Now it's a huge time to invest in, because the price it dropped. So it's actually a good thing to do for yourself, because you will buy more coins. So it's you'll make a fortune by doing this. As you can see, it's dropping massively, but for me it's not a problem, this, because people want to take their money and to reinvest in. Yesterday I had like $800, 867 like this, and today I had 1,000, and one from 1,000 it dropped once again. And what should I do now? Simply put, you don't do nothing. Only if you need this money, you can take them out. This is then you will lose the money. So other than this, you will just make money. And the beautiful thing is, you can invest this right now. With this $45, you can invest in small gaming projects on Binance or Solana, what you want. The beautiful thing, it would be, sorry, to enter them in the launch phase. Yes, to buy them at low, the lowest price possible. This is the most advantage thing to do. So this was for today, guys. I think I will do another video on how to not get scammed in the crypto space, when to know the coin it's okay to buy, and yes, to show all the scams that they are doing right now, so to be more prepared for this. I wish you a good day, and yeah, if you like this type of content, just give me a like and support me with a subscribe, because I really need this, because I want to show this type of content to other people. Have a good day, guys.